सारा फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल है जी। पूरा एयरपोर्ट बंद है। कुछ जगह पे मान लो अमृतसर है, धर्मशाला है, और बहुत जगह पे चंडीगढ़ है, ले सारा फ्लाइट्स बंद हो चुकी है अब अगले ऑर्डर्स तक।
Following Operation Sindoor, the Indian government has revealed new details about the military operation that targeted 9 terrorist camps across Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The 25-minute precision strike executed by Indian armed forces has triggered major geopolitical ripples across the region. Following the strikes, Pakistan closed its airspace, prompting widespread disruption in both domestic and international air travel. In response to the heightened tensions, Indian authorities have temporarily shut down multiple airports, particularly those near the western borders. Rajkot and Bhuj airports in Gujarat were closed for civilian flights, though they remain open round the clock for military operations. Across India, at least 18 airports have either been closed or are operating with restrictions. These include key hubs like Srinagar, Leh, Jammu, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Jodhpur, Bhuj, Rajkot, and Dharmshala. Pathankot, Jaisalmer, Shimla, Porbandar, Bhatinda, Thois. Regional carriers such as Star Air have also suspended operations to and from airports in Nanded, Hindan, and Adampur.
मेरी बॉम्बे की फ़्लाइट थी, तो मुझे आज अर्जेंटली पहुंचना था, बट अभी जब मैं इधर आई हूँ तो फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई है।
अथॉरिटी की तरफ से क्या बोला गया, कब तक
कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दे रहे हैं टिल फर्दर।
रीजन बताया?
एयरपोर्ट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है, डिफेंस एरिया है, तो एयरपोर्ट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है।
The disruption has caused a wave of flight cancellations. Over 20 domestic flights have been grounded, while more than 50 international flights bound for Pakistan have been cancelled. Delhi Airport alone has reported 23 domestic departures and 8 arrivals being cancelled, along with 4 international departures. Major Indian carriers like Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, Akasa Air and Air India Express have issued travel advisories cautioning passengers of possible delays, diversions, or cancellations. As the situation evolves, fears grow over further schedule disruptions, especially for those traveling to North India. Screenshots from Flight Radar 24 show a complete absence of commercial aircraft along India's northwestern border. Flights that were previously visible over Lahore have now disappeared, confirming the near total suspension of air traffic in the region. Many international flights are now being rerouted via longer paths to avoid Pakistani airspace, increasing both travel time and costs. As India and Pakistan tensions continue to escalate, the Ministry of Civil Aviation is closely monitoring the situation. Border airports are expected to remain closed for at least the next 24 to 48 hours, depending on regional stability. Operation Sindoor has not only demonstrated India's military intent, but has also had deep implications on regional connectivity and civil aviation, with thousands of passengers affected and airspace dynamics shifting by the hour.